Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Suboxy Creative Minds. And about today's video, it's about my most favorite topic about casting flowers in mold. Do watch the complete video as I am doing the process from drying to casting in the mold. You will be getting all the knowledge, needed tips and tricks while casting. What precautions you have to take while casting. Do watch completely and subscribe to my channel. So let us start. So here are the fresh bouquet flowers which I am just cutting it and keeping it on the side before starting of the process of drying in silica gel. Now I am adding silica gel in airtight container. Here we'll be adding silica gel in one layer, first layer, so that for the next layer we will place our roses. I have poured silica gel around 2 centimeters thickness of silica gel in the airtight container, and now I am placing our roses. You can see how I am placing our roses in available space. Next, after placing our roses, we'll be pouring one more layer of silica gel on it, so that our roses will be covered. And then again I'll be pouring placing our roses in the second third layer. This will be done until we cover the whole roses with silica gel. By first layer will be silica, and then roses, and then again silica, and then again if we have some flowers, again we'll have flowers on it, and then at the last we'll be having silica gel. And one more important thing about silica gel is it is toxic, and you have to wear a mask and take precautions, because once you inhale the powder, it will affect your lungs, and it's not treatable also. So be careful while you work with silica gel. And after this process, we'll keep our roses for 1 week to rest in this container. It should be an airtight container, and then we'll see the results. It's been 1 week. Let us see how our roses have been dried in the silica gel. I am really very happy with the results. You can see the color has not yet changed much. Usually we'll find some color changes where this drying process will be taken in the silica gel. I am very happy with the results, how my roses have been turned up very beautifully dried. Hope you too loved the results. And the same process I have done with my white color flowers, which I'll be casting shortly. So I'm using an hexagon mold, and now I'm just tapping with the insulation tape so that any dust formed inside should be removed. And now I am dusting up with the brush my roses, so that the silica gel, if the powder is been stuck inside, we have to be very careful to remove it completely so that it won't affect our casting. So you can see the process how I am cleaning up my roses with a soft brush. You can use any soft brush, so that it won't be a pressure on our roses, and it should not be breaked up. And with my roses, I'm adding some of the dried flowers which I purchased online. These are very beautiful flowers, and I'm trying to combine all this little bit from each box, into our mold, into our casting. As you can see, I had arranged this leaves as well as pampas sticks in the base, and then our roses in one side, and the dried flowers which I purchased online on other side. And I'm super happy with the arrangement. And now let us get ready with the epoxy. So I'm using a little bit of resin, drizzling it on our flowers so that it should not change the place where we have placed. And after some time I will be pouring the second layer of it. This process of drizzling some of the resin on the flowers and then going for the second layer is because basically we don't want to lose the position as we have arranged it according to our desired place. So since the resin has a tendency to move, and it changes the place of the flower placement, so we are just drizzling it and then we'll go for the second pot. And after the first layer, as I said, we just drizzle a little bit of resin on the flowers so that our flower arranged on in the mold does not lose the position which where we have arranged. And after 1 hour of it, I'm pouring around 450 ml of resin as a second layer, and later on we'll see to it how we'll avoid bubbles into the casting. I have used isopropyl alcohol a spray to avoid bubbles, and after some time I have used blowtorch also. Now after a second layer, you can see we have got some of the bubbles. Even after we took a lot of precautions, we have got bubbles. So now I am just sanding it on the mold with 120 grade sandpaper and cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol. And now I am using a trick where I was not planning to use pearls in my casting, but since I got this deep purples in my casting, I'm using this pearls. And this could be used as a trick also in the process of layers what we are doing in the casting. Hope this will be helpful for you too also while you get some problems in the casting as I got it here. So after pouring 4 to 5 layers of resin in my casting, now it's time to wait for its curing to so that we can follow it for demolding it. So the best part is here, the demolding of our casting. I'm totally in love of it already. Hope you too are loving this result. How beautifully it has come in the sides as well as the front. It's really beautiful. I'm very pleased with it. Hope you too enjoyed the making of it, and in the next part hopefully I'll be doing the sanding and the last layer of clear pour on this beautiful flower block. Hope you enjoyed the making as much as I did, and if you like this video, please click to the like button and subscribe to my channel and click on the all notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. I have a lot of things to be done in future, so please tune in, and thanks for watching. and supporting me as always. Thank you and take care.